Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just picked this up, and this is the 1 HP Reciprocating Saw. I've had my eye on this for a minute, so I finally ordered it. And the price on this is $129 through Home Depot. Now, this is for the whole kit. Don't make the mistake of going into the store. If you go in the store, they have just the bare tool for $129. Then if you go online to the Home Depot website, they also sell the bare tool for $129. And then they sell this kit with the battery and charger for $129. How they came up with those prices, I'll never know, but that's what I did. I went online and ordered it. It was here in 3 days. First thing out of the box, and this is the funniest one to me, is this Ryobi charger. I don't know what Ryobi is thinking with this charger. This is definitely not something that I expected for a tool that's made for basically demolition. This looks like one of those chargers that comes with your beard trimmer. And you know, you just pop your beard trimmer in the top and it sits there and charges overnight. Speaking of long charging, here's the battery that it comes with. This is the 4-amp battery, and it is fully charged, as you can see. I did charge this up last night. It came in the box charged with 2 bars, and I set up my timer. I plugged it into this charger, and from 2 bars to 4 bars, it took a whole hour and a half. Which is completely ridiculous, because you're only charging half the battery. That will be the biggest downside I can see with this kit so far. Just include a better charger. They have the 30-minute rapid charger. The other thing I can't wrap my head around is this is an HP tool. Why are they giving you a non-HP battery? So you can see this one does not have the silver terminals in the back. It's still a 4-amp battery. Hopefully I still get some good results out of it. And now onto the saw itself. Here is the saw. I really do like the look of this thing, and the reason that I picked this one up was I was going to get the Milwaukee Gen 2. Same style. It says it has the same 1 1/4 stroke length. My only thoughts are that the Milwaukee would most likely outlast this tool. I'm hoping this one, you know, doesn't smoke or break on me. I do have the 3-year warranty with this tool, and if it does break, then I can just send it into Ryobi. I paid another $7, I believe, for the extended 2-year warranty through Home Depot. So I've got a total of 5 years, which is pretty much what you'll get with Milwaukee. The price difference, this is $130 with the battery and charger. If you get the Milwaukee one, you're looking at $200 for the tool itself, and then you're looking at another $150 to $200 for a battery and charger, if you can find one that cheap. But yeah, really excited to try this tool out. It did come with a small blade and some manuals. I will not be using the blade that it came with because I have a set of these Diablo blades. This one I found, it's really nasty looking because I'm going to be trimming some trees and stuff up today. Not like huge trees, small ones. I love these Diablo blades. I bought a kit with like 9 blades in a case. It was only like 15 bucks. This blade alone was $9. They did have a 2-pack special, I believe last week or the week before. I missed out on that, where you could have got 2 of these blades for $9. Now I'm gonna head over to this job and start cutting up these trees. So far so good. Still at 3 bars. Final thoughts on this. I think this thing is a monster. I was really impressed that something from Ryobi held up as well as it did. I cut all that stuff down, then cut everything in half basically. That way the garbage people could pick it up. And I still have a bar left. The thing never died. It never stalled. It never smoked or caught on fire. This is not a HP battery, and I was really impressed with the battery also. For as long as it held up, and you know, the saw still had plenty of power. Like I said, it never stalled or anything. Longevity wise, I'm not sure how long this is going to hold up. I'm really hoping it's going to hold up, you know, the whole 5 years that I have the warranty, but you know, time will tell. There was only one thing that I could not get over that I wish this had, and that would be a hook. That's one thing that the Milwaukee has, is that hook to hang it on stuff, because a lot of the times I was worried about setting it in the dirt, you know, because I don't want to get any dirt inside of this engine part, because there's a pretty good hole in there, I guess, so it can breathe and stuff like that. The stuff I was cutting, you know, was between 3 inches to 5 inches. Some was probably a little bit bigger, and it just plowed through the stuff. I didn't have any issues with it stalling. I really think this is a good saw. Like I said, it has the same specs as the Milwaukee as far as the 1 1/4 inch stroke length. So that was a big plus going for it. Like I said, the only thing it doesn't have is that hook, which the Milwaukee has. But the power and everything is definitely there. I appreciate you checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one.